Hey tribe, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. Welcome back to my RV. We're not standing in my tiny kitchen, but this video is filmed in my tiny kitchen. This was actually filmed back in August. This is now March 1st of 2026 today. But it was filmed back in August when I was traveling with Barb, and when I made this video, we were about to go on a boat trip. You won't see that for another couple of days. But I wanted to share this with you because we pulled up in the parking lot. It was, lunchtime. And we probably could have gone and paid for lunch. But instead, I made some. And I'm showing you again one of the ways in which I use my Dash multi-press. In this case, it's the Panini grill. I'm making a delicious sandwich, so thank you so much for being here. Let's go ahead and roll the intro and we'll get right into this. It's super simple, but I want you to see what it can be like to be able to work in a tiny RV kitchen and have a variety of things available to you. So thanks for being here. See you on the other side.
Wake up with the sun in our eyes. Sally forth, no need for goodbyes. Journey calls, let's roll the dice. Every mile a new surprise.
This is just one of the many things that I love about my RV life. We are parked at a boat ramp. There's Barb way over there. We're going on a boat tour this afternoon, but first I want to make a sandwich. So I'm making, using my multi-press, grilled cheese and turkey. So I'm going to go ahead and get this assembled, and I'll put it on the panini and show you how that works. And then I'll be having a delicious sandwich for brunch. Okay, my bread is buttered, so I don't have to grease the griddle anymore. And my sandwich is assembled. I'm going to just put it right here in the center. And I think I might need two hands to close the press because, yeah, it's pretty big. Hang on. Okay, so what I did was I used my knife to press it down a little bit and moved it closer to the front so that both sides can cook at the same time. And I just realized I forgot to put the mustard on that I intended to, but that's okay. This will be delicious. I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Oh, and I guess let me just share again. I've shown my multi-press a few other times. I'm using the griddle plates today to make it into a panini sandwich maker. And you can see the two lights down here. The blue light just means that it's turned on. The white light means that it has reached heat that is acceptable for cooking. It's gotten hot enough to cook. So the white light will cycle on and off during the cooking process. See, just like that. There is no control. You plug it in and you unplug it. And it's either on or it's off. But I love this thing. So wait and see how it turns out. Now, because this sandwich is so thick, I went ahead and turned it around the other way so I can get both sides paninied, front and back. And you can put a little pressure on it and squish it down a little bit more if you want to. And we are just about done here, so we'll be back with you in just a moment. Okay, I just had a peek. Now I'll give you one. I think we are done. We got melty goodness, and the first thing I do before I get the food off is unplug the plug. So I don't forget to do that. No point in using any more electricity than we have to. Speaking of which, how did we do? I think we were at 92% battery when I started. We're at 91% now. It's still pretty overcast and everything here, so I'm sure that by the time we come back from the boat trip, we'll be completely charged up. So let me get this off of here and plate it up and give it a bite. I flipped it upside down so you could see the pretty side. And look at that. I gotta wait for it to cool down before I can eat it. You don't need to watch me eat. Just know it's turkey and cheese. It'll be delicious.
Wake up with the sun in our eyes. Sally forth.